I haven't done this yet, so you could be the first person I've done this in front of. Okay, so this is water, and you have to play. We're going to play a game here, which is guess where the water is.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to put some water into this cup.
Shouldn't be difficult. Did you put water in this one?
I put water in this one.
Okay.
Okay, so you have to watch which cup the water's in, and then point to the one you think the water is in.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm just going to move them slowly to start off with. Okay, point to the cup which you think the water is in.
This one?
Yeah, now, you have to go backwards. So can you see the water?
No.
That's okay, because it'd be cheating if you could see where the water is. Okay, so I'm going to pour the water into this cup, and I'm going to move it more quickly this time. Okay, so with your finger, point towards which cup. You're good. Okay, I'm going to try and go a bit faster this time and catch you out. Okay, so I'm going to pour the water into here and move them like this. So is it this cup?
No.
Okay, no water in there. Is it this cup?
No.
So it has to be in this cup, yeah?
Yeah.
But the water seems to have disappeared.
What? Was there ever water there?
Pardon?
Did you pour the water in the
I did
first
pour
place?
water. So, any suggestions how it was done? Are you videoing me, Philip?
I'm with you on this.
I used.
The only thing I can think of is that in the beginning, that when you said I poured the water here, you didn't pour it.
Yeah, no, I did pour it. If you ask children where the water is, they will say things like there was a sponge in one of the cups, or you had a magic cup that froze the water when you pressed it. It's amazing the suggestions that some children will have.
There is a hole in one of the cups.
Maybe it was dripping. But this is a chemistry that's occurring, and it uses this powder.
It's a trick water.
Yeah, well, it's chemistry really. So I'm going to do this with a clear cup. So okay, so at the beginning of the trick, there's a little bit of this polymer in here, and this is a polymer that absorbs water. Okay, when I do this with my students, I talk about polymers being very, very long, and because they're long, lots of water molecules can stick to it. It's called a hydrogel. So what's happening is that when the water touches the white powder in the cup, it forms a little gel. So at the beginning of the trick, let's see, I really did pour water in the cup, so I did this. Okay, and then I poured this into here, and then I moved them around, and you were to guess it was in this cup. But at the final stage of the trick, I poured the water into here, and what happens is the water forms bonds, weak bonds with the polymer, and as I move it around, it forms a solid gel like this. Okay, now you can see the gel in here. It looks like that.
There.
Yeah. I need to add a little bit more here to get it to stay in, because I was a bit more generous. But if I add a bit more polymer in there, you can see that when I turn upside down, the gel stays in the cup.
A neat trick.
Yeah, and this gel's got an everyday.